How to make Word calendar. First open Word and then go to more templates and search for calendar. But first to load my Word, and I will show you how to make it. Okay, go to more templates and search for calendar. Here are several templates. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. They are total 31. I will choose banner calendar. First must to download it. When this window is here, select month. I will select March and year 2021. Okay. When this is done, click OK again, and here it is the template. The name, the year, the days and dates. You can change the color. I will make it blue. You can change the font. Calibri. Also, we can change the font for the days. Okay, now I will edit it in Macedonian. Mart is for March. The days: Sunday is Nedela, Monday ponedeljnik, Tuesday vtornik, Wednesday sreda, Thursday nije četvrtok, Friday petok, and Saturday sabot. I will try to bold them. Make them italic. I will change the color. Red. And also we can make a time center. So that means you can customize it as like you want. When it is done, go and save it. Remember, for every month you must to make new document, I mean new calendar. Let's see some other template. Again, calendar. Enter, and I will pick so the receipt with photo. Okay, I like to be for September, but 2028. Title. I don't like to have the title. I will change the photo, but let's find some photo and I will replace autumn leaves. Okay, I will download this image and I will replace it. Go here, insert caption no, change picture yes, from file, because I downloaded it. So that's it.